it's Plush2x, and you're watching behind the scene for Plush2x Vegan Kitchen, episode 115. Actually, I didn't even have any plans on doing it behind the scenes until this situation happened here. I was making my jackfruit, barbecue jackfruit, which was from what I showed on the last episode, 114, and I said I was going to barbecue them. These are the ones that I got out. And I was testing them, right, the barbecue, and they just started splashing like this. Every time I make barbecue, they get splashed. And look at all the mess over here. And I had to bring out my shield because I was getting popped. Y'all see I ain't got no clothes on barely. And I was getting popped, so I had to bring out my shield out here. I brought out my my safety glasses because that thing was just popping all over. It would pop my skin. I was like, oh my God, next time don't cook without no clothes on. But and then I saw something really cool because you can see these shades are yellow. And when I looked at the fire looked green instead of blue. I'm going to show y'all right now. Hold up. I was like, oh snap, this looks so cool. I'm going to take this off. It start splashing all over my camcorder. Alright, you see the blue, right? Alright. Our child's going to turn green. Hold up. Don't get too close. Y'all see that? Blue, green. Because of course yellow and blue makes green. And that looks so cool. Oh, okay, let me see if I can zoom in. Oh, yeah. Okay, now I can see the blue and the green. Anyway, stay tuned for more on Plush2x's Vegan Kitchen. You can catch it on my YouTube page, channel, Plush2x, which is Plush, the number 2, and the letter X. Alright, or my Facebook page, Plush2x Songs, Plush TWO-X, Songs, SONGS. Bye.